Terraria, a popular 2D sandbox adventure game, can sometimes present technical challenges. This guide will equip you with the knowledge to troubleshoot common errors and ensure a smooth gaming experience. We'll cover everything from basic fixes to more advanced solutions, drawing from recent updates and community expertise up to February 2026. Terraria errors typically fall into a few categories. The first is launch failures, often due to missing .NET frameworks. These prevent the game from starting at all. Next are crashes, which frequently occur due to RAM overload. These cause the game to freeze or close unexpectedly during play. Then there are multiplayer issues, such as connection timeouts or server errors. These affect online play and can disrupt shared gaming experiences. Finally, mod conflicts arise from incompatible versions, leading to problems like item duplication or world corruption. These are common when using third-party modifications. To run Terraria smoothly, your system must meet minimum requirements. These include Windows 7 or its equivalent on other operating systems, at least 2 gigabytes of RAM for memory, and DirectX 11 for graphics compatibility. For modern PCs, keeping graphics drivers updated is essential. Both NVIDIA and AMD drivers help avoid shader errors that can crash the game. Use the installation tools to update your drivers regularly. Understanding Terraria's core fundamentals, such as procedural world generation and combat mechanics, helps identify issues. The game's file structure includes save folders for worlds and player data. Remember to back up your worlds and player data. These are stored in the Documents folder at %userprofile, %documents /mygames /Terraria /worlds. Regular backups prevent data loss during troubleshooting. Start with the basics. Verify the integrity of game files through Steam to repair corrupted installations. Regularly update your GPU drivers to fix rendering glitches. For persistent issues, try a clean reinstall, removing mods first. These simple steps resolve a significant portion of common problems. When experiencing multiplayer problems in Terraria, the first step is to check your firewall settings. Firewalls can block the game's network connections, preventing you from joining or hosting servers. Look for your firewall software's network settings and ensure Terraria's ports are open. For example, enable ports for LAN connections, as shown here. To diagnose latency problems that cause lag in multiplayer games, use ping testing tools. These tools measure the time it takes for data to travel between your computer and the game server. Look at the latency graph and data table to identify high ping values or packet loss percentages that indicate network issues affecting your multiplayer experience. If you're hosting a Terraria server, monitor your RAM allocation carefully. Insufficient memory can cause server crashes during intense gameplay. Use the official Terraria server tool for better control over server settings and performance monitoring. This tool helps you manage resources effectively, especially when multiple players are connected. Desyncs that occur during boss fights often result from server overload. Optimize performance by reducing world size, limiting player count, or upgrading your hosting hardware. Mods enhance Terraria with new content, but incompatibility is a major source of errors and crashes. Use Tmod Loader, version 2022.9 as of 2026, for installing and managing mods safely. Always ensure your mods are compatible with your Terraria version to avoid incompatibility errors. Practice mod hygiene by carefully matching versions and avoiding pirated or untrusted sources. Outdated mods are a frequent cause of world corruption in Terraria. Let's examine real-world examples of troubleshooting in Terraria. The black screen of death bug that affected many players in 2024 was a common launch failure. This error typically occurred when the game tried to start but encountered issues with system dependencies. Another significant issue was multiplayer server crashes during high-traffic sessions. These occurred when servers became overloaded with player data, leading to desyncs and forced restarts. The solution involved optimizing server resources, particularly RAM allocation. Mod-related problems were also prevalent, particularly world corruption from outdated mods. Players would experience worlds reverting to earlier states or losing progress. The key fixes involved using backup tools and keeping mods updated through Tmod Loader. These case studies demonstrate how community knowledge and developer support play crucial roles in resolving complex Terraria issues. By learning from these examples, players can better maintain their gaming experience and avoid common pitfalls. As Terraria continues to evolve, so does the approach to troubleshooting. The game's community and developers are embracing new technologies and practices to make problem-solving more efficient and accessible. One major trend is the rise of AI-assisted tools. Discord chatbots, for example, can now automatically diagnose errors by analyzing crash logs and suggesting fixes, reducing the need for manual troubleshooting. Looking ahead, Relogic may release Terraria 2 with a completely overhauled engine designed for improved stability and fewer errors. This could significantly reduce hardware-related issues and enhance overall gameplay. To stay updated on the latest fixes and trends, regularly check official forums, the Terraria wiki, and community discussions. These resources provide current information and user experiences that can help prevent issues before they occur. Remember that proactive maintenance and community collaboration are key to a seamless Terraria experience. Regularly update your system, backup saves, and engage with the community to share solutions and learn from others' experiences. Finally, focus on sustainability by preventing overheating issues. Use energy-efficient devices during long gaming sessions to maintain optimal performance and reduce environmental impact.